Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will talk about the Hershey and Chase experiment. In previous video we were discuss about the Griffith experiment and Avery McLeod and McCarthy experiment. So let me first tell you a little bit about the Griffith experiment and Avery McLeod and McCarthy experiment. So first one is Griffith experiment. In this experiment he concluded that some transforming principle transferred from heat killed S strain to R strain and transforming it virulent, and he assumed this transforming principle as a genetic material. Then second one is Avery McLeod and McCarthy experiment. They concluded that the transformation requires DNA, therefore it is the genetic material of the cell. And the third one is Hershey and Chase experiment. So in 1952, Hershey and Chase designed an experiment to clear the confusion DNA is a genetic material or not. In this experiment, they experimented with bacteriophages. Then what is bacteriophages? Bacteriophages are the viruses that infect and replicate within the bacteria. So the virus does not have their own mechanism of reproduction, but they depend on the host for the same. Once they attach to the host cell, the genetic material is transferred to the host. So T2 bacteriophages were grown in one of the two isotopes medium. So as you can see in the notebook, virus grown in radioactive sulfur had radio-labeled protein because sulfur is present in proteins but not DNA. And the virus grown in radioactive phosphorus had radio-labeled DNA because phosphorus is present in DNA but not proteins. So our question is why they took such isotopes for labeling this culture medium. So basically ये isotopes लेने का मेन रीज़न यही था कि इनसे वो easily प्रूव कर सकते थे कि DNA ही genetic material है. So as you can see in the video, in both culture medium, blender is used to separate phage particles from the bacterial cells. So in bacteriophages with radioactive protein, phage particles were found to be radioactive and no radioactivity was detected in the bacterial cells. So that means radioactive protein में वहाँ पे radioactivity देखी गई जिसमें कुछ ट्रांसफ़र ही नहीं हुआ था. But in bacteriophages with radioactive DNA, bacterial cells were found to be radioactive and no radioactivity was detected in the phage particles. तो इसका मतलब ये है कि जो रेडियो एक्टिव डीएनए था उसमें बैक्टीरियल सेल्स में रेडियो एक्टिविटी देखी गई और जो रेडियो एक्टिव प्रोटीन्स था उसमें फेजिस में रेडियो एक्टिविटी देखी गई. बट जो जेनेटिक मटेरियल ट्रांसफ़र हुआ था वो बैक्टीरियल सेल्स में हुआ था. इसीलिए इसका कंक्लूजन यही निकला कि जो ट्रांसफ़र हुआ है वो प्रोटीन नहीं था, वो डीएनए था. इसीलिए हम डीएनए को जेनेटिक मटेरियल बोलते हैं. इस एक्सपेरिमेंट के बाद आप लोगों का ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन प्रिंसिपल का जो टॉपिक था वो ख़त्म हो गया. सो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन प्रिंसिपल में जितने भी एक्सपेरिमेंट थे उन वीडियोस का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा. सो वहाँ से आप अपने टॉपिक प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल.